what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. If you're out and about looking for gift ideas for the kids, we're going to show you a couple cool things we just came across. Let's take a look. All right, YouTubers, in front of us now are the toys, and on the left hand side is a string trimmer or weed trimmer, weed whacker, whatever you want to call it. In the middle is a Husqvarna chainsaw, and on the right hand side is a leaf blower. And the left and right string trimmer and leaf blower, those were ordered from fatbrain.com, and both were $29.99 each. However, we did a Google search for this and we found it on Amazon for $29.95. And we love Husqvarna because many years ago, my older brother Matt bought a Husqvarna chainsaw, and I lived right next door to him for about 6 years. And we used to cut a lot of wood because we had a wood burner inside the house that I rented from him. So check this out. You got a little trigger right here. That just runs the engine. And then you've got the lower trigger that spins the chain. The kids are absolutely going to love this. And as far as the string trimmer, this thing is so cool and a little loud, so be advised, but that little spool with the string glows. So when it's dark, it glows green, and they love that as well. And the leaf blower is just as cool. Unfortunately, I've got the batteries out of that one at the moment, but the kids absolutely love those two. We are going to open this up and show them here in about an hour. So in the event that you are out looking for gifts for your kids and have hit a brick wall and can't figure out what to get, this may help you. And these are not the only tools that are out there. If you do a Google search, you can find countless amounts of Husqvarna tools, as well as the fatbrain.com website. Definitely check that out, because we all know and have experienced the kids walking up to us after we are using our equipment and wanting to hold it, touch it, use it, etc. So purchasing replica toy versions of your outdoor equipment will make their day. Hopefully this helps YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.